Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas, with a really slick 2012 CVO Ultra Classic that I want to show you. Bike comes with the 110 Screamin' Eagle motor, 6-speed transmission, and all the bells and whistles. It's a bright yellow paint with a silver trim stripe there. That looks like black paint. Well, no, it's not black. It's almost like the black pearl. I don't know if you can see that in the video or not, but it's got a black tribal graphic that's sort of blended in to the paint there on the fairing. Tinted windshield, all chrome front end, really nice CVO rims. Good tire up front here. Lower leg fairings look good. It's got the chrome oil cooler cover down there and the chrome voltage regulator. All this up here is just typical CVO. Lots of chrome. Heated hand grips, chrome switch housings, levers. Nice CVO mirror post there. It's got a Garmin setup, padded dash. Lots of chrome trim in here around the radio and the buttons there. CVO badging there on the gas lid. Electronic cruise, AM FM stereo, CB radio, full onboard electronics. Heated seat. Really nice Screamin' Eagle type floorboards, pedals, pegs. Matching passenger floorboards. Those are fully adjustable, by the way, so that's really handy. Got the bag lid rails on it. Paint scheme comes all the way back through it. This is kind of an unusual look to it there. Looks good on this bike. This bike's in fine shape. Tire on the back, it's probably maybe 50%. Vance & Hines mufflers. Not really seeing anything I need to point out to you. Looks like it's been very well taken care of. I just noticed that same little pattern in the badging here that's in the paint. It's pretty slick. Color matched inner fairing. Fire this baby off. It's only got 15,542 miles on it. Really good sound. The face plates on those gauges, it's pretty slick. This bike's got ABS on it. It's been through our shop, checked out, and it's ready to ride. A lot of good finance options and extended warranty options on it. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about this bike. Go online and see our complete inventory at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. Take almost anything in on trade. And we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.